Welcome to the assembly video for the Decorum Co. Liora single drawer nightstand. Please ensure you have received all the necessary panels, hardware, and an instruction manual. If you have not received all these components or require further assistance, feel free to reach out to us through WhatsApp or email. A Phillips screwdriver will be required to complete assembly of this unit. This assembly video follows the steps in the instruction manual and serves as a visual guide to complete the unit. This video is a sped-up tutorial of the assembly process. Before beginning the video, a brief demonstration of how the cam system works will be shown. A Phillips screwdriver is required. The hardware components used are a cam pin and a wooden dowel. The installation of the cam is shown. Please ensure the arrow on the cam face the closest edge on the panel with the corresponding hole. The installation of the cam pin and wooden dowel is shown. Insert the cam pin in the smaller hole using the screwdriver and the dowel in the medium-sized hole. To secure panels together, place the cam pins over the holes with the corresponding cam and use the screwdriver to rotate the cam in the clockwise direction. To remove the panels, rotate the cam in the opposite direction. Please follow this visual demonstration of the assembly process for the Liora single drawer nightstand. You may reduce the playback speed or pause the video as needed. Follow along with your assembly manual for a better understanding of the panels and hardware being used, or to clarify any confusion. For any queries, feel free to reach out to us directly on WhatsApp or email. Feel free to reduce the playback speed or pause the video at any time. Follow the attached drawer slide installation guide to install the drawer slides.